Bitter kola comes from the evergreen kola tree in the forests of Africa. Inside the tree's star-shaped fruits are white shells which contain the nuts. It is said that the most powerful medicines come with a bitter taste, and bitter kola, or garcinia kola, is undeniably one of them. As the name suggests, the seeds have a sharp and bitter flavor that eases into a slight sweetness as you chew. The health benefits of kola nut align with those of coffee, and many people consume them daily for a dose of caffeine. The bitter plant is a source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, C and E, calcium, potassium and iron. Kola nuts are traditionally chewed raw, but they can be dried and boiled to make tea. Research was carried out by accredited institutions to find out the possible healing attributes of the bitter plant and the kola nut, and they have indeed found some remarkable medicinal properties. So in today's video, I'll share 10 benefits of consuming bitter kola, its side effects and contraindications. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It improves energy levels. Bitter kola has long been known as a stimulant due to its caffeine and theobromine content and has been used for fatigue and hunger management. Each nut contains 2 to 3% caffeine and 1 to 2% theobromine. The kola nut naturally stimulates the central nervous system, which increases alertness and improves energy levels. A 2013 study found that bitter kola contains high levels of vitamin C, potassium and iron, which play an important role in boosting energy levels. People with a slow metabolism could also benefit from consuming the nut extract. 2. It aids digestion. Bitter kola functions as a dietary fiber and helps in the prevention and treatment of digestive ailments. This includes bloating, constipation and other conditions that disrupt the bowel movement. It has been traditionally used as water extract for relieving colic in babies. It is said that some tribes in West Africa chew kola nut before every meal to aid digestion. Kola nut powder and extract may also help digestion. They are thought to boost the production of gastric acid, which enhances digestive enzyme effectiveness in the stomach. 3. It relieves migraine. Migraines can often affect the blood vessels in the head. The theobromine in caffeine in bitter kola may dilate or widen blood vessels in the brain, which may reduce migraine pain. 4. It improves respiratory health. Traditional healers use bitter kola as treatment for chest colds. The fresh seeds are chewed to treat upper respiratory tract infections, bronchitis and throat infections. The caffeine in the seeds may act as a bronchodilator, opening the airways and making it easier to breathe. Theophylline relaxes muscles and dilates bronchioles in the lungs to benefit sufferers of asthma and bronchitis. Theobromine makes the heart beat faster, dilates blood vessels and reduces central systolic blood pressure, as well as dilating bronchioles in the lungs. Bitter kola also contains the antioxidantsaponin, which has detoxifying and cleansing effects. This improves lung function by expanding the alveolar ducts and sacs, another important factor that strengthens lung tissue. Chewing one bitter kola seed at an interval of 2 to 3 days can help keep your respiratory health in check. Make sure to consult with your healthcare practitioner if you're considering using the seeds. 5. It's an aphrodisiac and fertility enhancer. Despite early studies publishing conflicting results, other more recent studies support claims that the seed possesses aphrodisiac properties, reporting an increase in libido, erection and ejaculation, with lower doses being more effective than higher amounts. It was also observed an increase in sperm count and testosterone levels. However, not much has been said about the effect the seeds can have on female fertility. It is believed that chewing bitter kola shortly before intercourse improves sexual performance and duration, particularly in men. Avoid eating too many seeds in one day and over extended periods of time, especially when addressing low sperm count and quality. Higher doses do not necessarily mean better results. Consult with your doctor before consuming the seeds to address sexual-related conditions. 6. It's used to treat osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a common form of arthritis characterized by the degeneration of joint cartilage and the underlying bone, causing pain and stiffness, especially in the hip, knee, and thumb joints. Researchers in Nigeria found that bitter kola significantly reduced inflammation and pain in knee osteoarthritis patients and increased joint movement. 7. Cough and sore throat relief. Bitter kola is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it useful for preventing infections and viruses. It is often used to treat symptoms of colds, including coughing and sneezing. The seeds can be chewed to soothe a dry and sore throat. Bitter kola clears the throat by boosting mucus production, which helps clear throat hoarseness. 8. It's used for toothache and bad breath. Because kola nuts are typically chewed, researchers looked into their effectiveness in preventing cavities and treating lower infections. The findings indicated that the antimicrobial properties have the ability to fight oral pathogens and possibly other infections. One study found that bitter kola extract cleared oral candida infection in 96.4% of the patients. Another study observed potent antibacterial activity in patients with chronic periodontitis, making it a potential alternative treatment for periodontal pathogens and maintaining oral hygiene. 9. Malaria treatment. Bitter kola is believed to have properties that act like an anti-malarial catalyst. It contains calaveron, a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory phytochemical, which was shown to have high anti-malarial activity in mice infected with Plasmodium burgei, a malaria parasite species. 10. Diabetes and weight loss. Traditionally, it is believed that regular consumption of the seeds lower blood sugar levels and improves complications of type 2 diabetes. According to a 2019 study, bitter kola water extract lowers blood glucose, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol. It also increases insulin and good cholesterol levels. Another study demonstrated its ability to inhibit the breakdown of carbohydrates, reducing post-meal glucose levels by delaying the digestion and absorption of starch and simple sugars. By boosting serotonin levels in the brain, bitter kola also promotes a slight loss of appetite and is therefore used for weight loss purposes. Side effects and contraindications. Kola nuts contain about 2 to 3% caffeine and 1 to 2% theobromine, both of which act as stimulants. According to the National Institutes of Health Office of Dietary Supplements, caffeine consumption of less than 400 to 500 milligrams a day is considered safe for adults. That's the equivalent of 2 to 4 cups of coffee. Each nut contains more caffeine than 2 large cups of American coffee, hence it should be limited in the same way caffeinated beverages are. Excess caffeine can lead to insomnia, headaches, nervousness, irritability, and anxiety. It can also slow blood clotting. People with certain medical conditions may be advised against consuming kola nuts due to their stimulant effect. These include high blood pressure and certain cardio conditions such as irregular heartbeat. The American Herbal Products Association includes kola nut on a list of caffeine-containing substances that should not be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women and those under the age of 18. Make sure to consult with your healthcare practitioner before consuming bitter kola if you're taking blood sugar lowering medication. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.